We'll guide you through how to use Calendly for scheduling meetings. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Calendly website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the sign up button and following the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard from here. Click on event types on the left-hand side. This is where you can create new event types or manage existing ones. To create a new event type, click on the Plan New Event Type button. You'll be prompted to choose between one-on-one or group events. Select the option that suits your meeting needs, then you can fill in the details like the event name, location, and description. Next, set the duration for your meeting. You can select from the preset options or enter a custom time. After that, click on Next to set your availability. This is where you can specify the days and times you're available for meetings. Calendly allows you to set specific intervals, so be sure to customize it according to your schedule. Once done, click Next again. You'll now be on the confirmation page where you can review all the details. Make sure everything looks good, then hit Save and Close. You can now share your event link with others by copying the URL and sending it via email or messaging apps. When someone clicks the link, they'll be able to see your available slots and book a meeting directly. This eliminates the back and forth of scheduling and saves a ton of time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.